this video, I'm going to show you two methods on how to remove your audio from your video in CapCut in only 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So the first method is to select your file, then go to audio. Then we're gonna turn the volume all the way down. Let me first show you that the file has audio. And once we turn it all the way down, there is no audio anymore. The second way to do that is to extract your video from your audio, and that's by right-clicking on your project and extract audio. Then we can simply just delete it, and that's by clicking delete, or selecting it on the right and clicking delete. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching.